What's up guys, Charles here. Later this week, AMD is set to announce its highly anticipated gaming CPU, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D. This is the first Granite Ridge CPU with an extra 64 megabytes of 3D cache. This CPU is a strong contender for becoming a worthy successor to the 7800X 3D, which is considered by many to be the best gaming CPU on the market right now. Igor Kavinsky, a member of the AnandTech forums, which are still alive, shared what appears to be the first benchmarks of the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor. The CPU, which is said to have a turbo clock of 5.2 GHz, is reportedly running at clock speeds between 5.6 and 5.7 GHz. And hey, many viewers on my channel watch but haven't subscribed yet. It's free content for you, but it takes a lot of effort for me to create. Please do subscribe, like, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. AMD's 9800X 3D does not appear by name in the screenshots, except as a note. In fact, it does not seem that the CPU is a retail SKU, but rather an engineering sample ES. However, the CPU clock is recorded at 5,643 MHz in CPU-Z, with an effective frequency of 5,687.53 MHz in the Cinebench R23 test, as recorded by Benchmate software. According to the screenshot, the CPU is using Precision Boost Overdrive with an offset and BCLK change. In Cinebench, the 9800X 3D scores 2,261 points in the single-core test and 25,258 in the multi-core test. The 7800X 3D with PBO typically scores between 18 to 19K points. The 9700X with PBO can reach 23,325 points, so the 9800X 3D is clearly faster. Additionally, a Final Fantasy XIV Dwarf Dawn Trail benchmark was shared for a standard laptop, achieving a score of 62,360, but it is unclear what GPU was used for this test. The 7800X 3D was capped to 5.0 GHz, so this CPU with higher maximum frequency and improvements from Zen 5 architecture will definitely have an impact on the desktop CPU market. More news is likely soon. It appears that leakers are all over this launch. That's it for today's video. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on gaming, and as always, I'll see you at the next one. Peace out.